Web 2.0. Okay? And I realized all I was doing was just teaching tools. Now I'm against that. It's not about just teaching tools. It's about solving problems. And so I started thinking, how do I use Web 2.0 tools? And I realized I can use them to learn. I cultivate this network to learn. So I sort of reshaped all of this into a session about learning using these tools to learn. So it's about Twitter, it's about technology, it's about Pinterest, which I finally set up a Pinterest account the day before yesterday. And it's actually pretty cool. And it's not nearly as deep as I thought it was. But let's say I'm doing a session for my students on maths. All right? And I need to bring in the very latest that is known about maths. One place that I'll go is Technorati. Now, Technorati is a search engine for blogs. I go to Technorati.com, and type in, now if I type in math, there's a lot of reasons why somebody would use the word math in their blog. It would be all helpful to them. So I'm going to come up with a different word, like cartography. We'll go with cartography. Now, if I hit cartography, then I'm going to get the latest blog articles that were posted by people who use the word cartography in their articles. Typically, what I'll do is plug into those articles and see what they're saying. If it looks like this person is saying something that's going to be helpful to me, then I'm going to scan through a few other articles. And then I decide whether this is somebody I'm going to follow or not. But what Technorati does that's interesting is right up here, I can click this link that says blogs and search. And what I'm going to get is not the latest articles that mention cartography, but I'm going to get the actual bloggers who use the word cartography to describe their entire blog. So these are people who write about maps all the time. And I'm going to go through and click into some of them and find there might be 20 up there, and there might be only 2 of them used to. That's fine. 2 people I'm going to pay attention to sort of condition myself for this upcoming unit on maps. Does that make sense? Another tool is Twitter. I can go to Twitter. And how many of you, most of you have used Twitter. How many of you use Twitter? Okay, but you know what it is. You know what it is. And this is one, I'm so happy that I have explained what Twitter was for the last time. Have you ever tried to explain to somebody what Twitter is? And you know that look? I'm broke. I didn't want to do that. It's just wonderful not to have to go through that anymore. You know what Twitter is? I use Twitter, but I don't really tweet a lot. I don't read the people that I follow very much. This is the way I use Twitter. I go to Twitter and I type in cartography. And it's going to show me the latest tweets that anybody posted down here somewhere. I do all my photos. Anyway, I'm not going to go down and look the right, and just notice it's the latest tweets that anybody has posted that has the word cartography. And these are people who care about maps. You know, if you're using a word like cartography, when you're limited to 140 characters, you know, that's an expensive word. You must care about maps. But you notice that most of these tweets have links in them. Most of these tweets have hyperlinks to something out there. So these are people who care about maps, who are tweeting to each other the latest that they found. So I could walk into my classroom with the very latest example of some sort of map projection or the latest tools we're creating in